Ang Bella Vita Naga ay located sa Barangay Pacol, Naga City, Bicol. Ito ay may total land area of 14.8 hectares with 2,317 units. Isa ito sa fast-selling projects ng Bella Vita. Kilala din ang Naga as Pilgrim City of Bicol dahil isa ito sa destination of the largest Marian pilgrimage in Asia. Sakto sa location dahil ang Bella Vita Naga ay pinagigitnaan ng Pili, Magaraw, at Milaor dito sa Camarines Sur. Isang sakay lang papuntang simbahan, school, banks, public market, supermarket, hospital, tourist destination, at government offices. Sakto sa taste mo dahil ang design ng bahay ay modern contemporary. Ito ay may minimum lot area of 36 square meters with 22 square meters floor area. The unit comes with one toilet and bathroom with shower head faucet and tiled flooring. Nakalagay ang kitchen sink sa labas ng bahay to provide more space inside. Pwede na kayong kumuha ng 2 poly inner units and make a punch-through to combine them. With that, mayroon na kayong combined lot area na 72 square meters and combined floor area na 44 square meters. Actual turnover unit is basic finished for design flexibility. Siguradong sakto sa bulsa ang bahay dito dahil kayang-kaya mo ang monthly amortization na for as low as 2,066 na payable for 30 years through Pag-ibig Financing. Pwede ding bumili through bank financing, and we also welcome cash and cash deferred. Sakto sa family safety ang Bella Vita Naga dahil gated community ito with 24/7 security. The entire subdivision is enclosed by a perimeter fence. Sakto sa gusto mo dahil mayroon din itong practical amenities tulad ng basketball court to help you stay fit. Mayroon ding clubhouse para sa special occasions. Magkakaroon din dito ng play equipment para happy ang mga kids. Bella Vita Naga, sakto sa'yo!